Welcome to my channel. How to set up a NETGEAR Wi-Fi extender without WPS. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Plug your NETGEAR Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your main router and wait for the power LED to become stable. Step 2. Turn on the extender. Make sure the extender is powered on and fully booted before starting the setup process. Step 3. Connect to the extender network. On your phone, laptop, or tablet, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, such as NETGEAR_EXT. Step 4. Open a web browser. Launch any browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari on your connected device. Step 5. Visit the setup page. Type mywifixt.net into the address bar and press enter to access the NETGEAR setup wizard. Step 6. Create or log into your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or sign in if prompted. Step 7. Scan for available Wi-Fi networks. The extender will search for nearby wireless networks. Wait for the list to appear. Step 8. Select your home Wi-Fi network. Choose your router's Wi-Fi name, SSID, from the list and click Next. Step 9. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Type your existing Wi-Fi password carefully and complete the connection process. Step 10. Move the extender to its final location. After setup is complete, place the extender halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage for the best signal. Thanks for watching.